friends, welcome to Exams Daily English. Today in this video, I would like to share you about the Nainital Bank Limited recruitment. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Before going into this video, we have to know about Nainital Bank Limited. Nainital Bank is the only scheduled commercial bank of Uttarakhand. They are having a network of 145 branches across 5 states of North India, namely Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana and Rajasthan. They have released a recruitment notification for the 2 positions, namely Probation Officer and Clerks. They have also included a lot of details what they are expecting from the candidates. We can see one by one. For the probationary officer, the grade and scale is scale 1 and for clerk is clerical grade. The number of vacancies for probationary officer is 75 and for clerks is 80. The minimum age limit for probationary officer is 21 and maximum is 30, and for clerks, the minimum age limit is 21 and maximum is 28. The number of vacancies mentioned above is provisional and it can be vary according to the actual requirement of the bank, they have said. They have also said about the bond details. For probationary officer, the amount of bond is 2 lakhs and the bond period is 2 years. Whereas on clerks, the amount of bond is 1.25 lakhs and for bond period 2 years. And they have also included the educational qualification and experience. For probation officer, the educational qualification they are expecting is, if you are interested, you must have been completed graduation or post-graduation with full-time and regular in the college in a recognized university. You have to secure a minimum 50% of marks. Then you are expected to have a knowledge of computer operations also. Experience, candidates should have 1 to 2 years of experience in banking financial institution will be given more preference. And on the other hand, for clerks, the educational qualification is, if you are interested, you must have been completed graduation or post-graduation with full-time and regular in a recognized university or institute, and you must have been secured 45% of marks. And for probationary officer, you must have a knowledge of computer operations. It's also an essential one. Preferable experiences, if you are applying for this, having 1 to 2 experience in banking financial will be given more preference. And about remuneration is, the probationary officer will have a pay scale of rupees 23,700 and plus basic pay, dearness allowance thereon, and CTC would be approximate rupees 7 lakhs per annum. And for clerks, pay scale of rupees 11,765 will be given with more allowance. And for what they have given in identity verification is, in the examination hall as well as at the time of interview, the call letter along with the original and photocopy of the candidates is required. And they have included many other requirements also. It may be Aadhaar card, employee ID bar, council identity card, and etc. etc. You can see for more details. And if you are interested in this post, you can apply. There are a lot of procedures to apply: application, registration, payment of fees, document scan and upload. First, scanning of candidates. What you have to scan is photograph, signature, your left thumb impression and a handwritten declaration. These 4 are very important and you have to give that. And signature in capital letters will not be accepted, and the left hand impression should be properly scanned and not smudged. They have given a lot of details and expectations about this. And the next is application fees and intimation charges. That is, they have said that the probationary officer's application fees will be 2,000 rupees with including the GST, and for clerks 1,500 rupees including the GST. And application registration, how you have to apply is, you have to go to the official website of Nainital, that is www.nainitalbank.co.in. You have to click that, and there you have to select registration or results, then click the option of apply online, and there will be appearing, click here for new registration. Then you have to give your provincial register number, password and etc. and you have to give save and next. After that save and next, you have to fill your details. Proper details must be filled and correct prior to final submission. You have to check and recheck. Then submitting that, your application will be your application will be saved, and validate your details, and you have to save and next button. And then the payment of fees. The payment of fees is on online mode. The application form is integrated with the payment gateway, and the payment process can be completed by the following instructions. That is, you can pay through credit cards, internet banking, IMPS, cash cards, or mobile wallets. Non-generation of e-receipts indicates payment failure. So be careful about that. Please note that if the same cannot be generated, online transaction may not be given successful. So don't repeat that. And guidelines for scanning and uploading documents is photograph image. You have to give your photograph. The photograph must be a recent one. You should not give your previous photographs. It should be in color, and it should be taken light color, preferably white background, and you have to look straight to the camera, and your face must be in a relaxed position. You should not be in a sunny day, or you should not have red eye, okay? And don't use flash. And if you are wearing glasses, make sure that there is no reflections on your eyes and it cannot be clearly seen. So don't use that. And don't wear caps, hats, and dark glasses are not acceptable. They have also said that. And extraordinarily, religious headwear is allowed, but it must not cover your face. Okay. Then for signature, left thumb impression and handwritten declaration image is required. The applicant has to sign on white paper with black ink pen. Note that you have to sign it with black ink pen, and your left impression on white paper with black and blue ink pen. The size of the file should be between 10 KB to 20 KB for signature and left thumb impression. The thumb impression should not be smudged. Okay, take care of that. And scanning the documents. You have to scan the documents resolution of minimum 200 dpi. That means dots per inch, and set color to true color. And you have to upload your documents. The left thumb impression is on white paper with black, the same is repeated. And handwritten declaration is not to be expected, but you should not write in capital letters. The applicant has to write the declaration in English clearly on the white paper with black or blue ink. Okay, the file type should be in JPG or JPEG. Okay, the file size should be in 50 KB to 100 KB. And the procedure for uploading the documents is, you have to upload in the application form, online application form. You have to give the option of upload left thumb impression and handwritten declaration. Then browse and select the location where the scanned thumb impression and handwritten declaration file has been saved, and give open or upload, and then upload it. They have given some details. In case the left impression on the handwritten declaration is unclear, the candidate's application will be rejected. So be clear about that and recheck about that. The next is downloading of call letters. Candidates will have to visit the bank's website www.nainitalbank.co.in for downloading your call letters for online test. You will be having online test. You will be appearing for that also. At examination center, the examination will be conducted. You have to take your call letter copy online, and then you have to carry your currently valid photo identity proof and photocopy there, failing which they will not be allowed to appear for the test. Okay, without the above mentioned documents, the candidate will not be admitted for the examination, they have told. And the candidate's reporting time list should be very important. You should not be late for your examination, and the examination duration is 2 hours and 25 minutes. That is 145 minutes for both probationary officers and clerks. The venue will be laterly announced, and 4 hours including the time required for the completion of various formalities such as verification and collection of your various documents, logging in, giving instructions, etc. Then you have the choice of center for the examination. You can choose 4 centers in order of your preference and convenience. The centers are at Uttarakhand State, and Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Haryana. You can select based on your preference and convenience. The test details is, the examination will be on reasoning, English language, quantitative aptitude, and general awareness with special preference to banking. The number of questions will be asked is for reasoning 60, English language 40, quantitative aptitude is 50, and general awareness is 50. Each question carries 1 mark, so the total marks is 200, and the question will be only in English, and the total minutes is 145 minutes will be given. Test details for clerks. Reasoning, English language, general awareness, computer knowledge is included for clerks, which is not included for probationary officers. And for reasoning, 40 questions, English language 40, general awareness 40, computer language 40, quantitative aptitude 40. Each question carries 1 mark, with the total amount of marks is 200, and the question will be only in English, and the duration minutes is 145 minutes. Penalty for the wrong answer for probationary officer and clerks is given, and 0.25 marks for each wrong answer, and the number of answer choices per question is 5 options will be given. And they have given more details about this examination, and you are not allowed to canvass, or you are not allowed to take any mischievous behavior, and if you done any mischievous behavior, you will be disqualified. And they have included many details. And the arriving of scores, the scores of online examination are obtained by adopting the following procedure only. They will be selecting you. The number of question answers correctly by the candidate in each objective test is considered for arriving at the correct score, and applying penalty for the wrong answers also. Test-wise scores and scores on total is reported with decimal point up to 2 digits. The note is cutoffs are applied in 2 stages, that is on scores in individual test and on total score. The commencement of the online registration of application is 29/8, that is today they have released, and the closure of the registration of application is 15/9, that is on September 15, 2020 the registration of application is closing, and the online fee payment is 29 to 15. You can pay between these dates. This was released by the Vice President of the Nainital Bank Limited head office, which is located in Nainital, Uttarakhand. If you are interested in this, you can select and you can make sure you can go for this post, because it is a good, it's in good department and bank. It is very useful for you. Later, the dates and your selection will be given. Interview details will be given later. You can follow the official website for more details, so that you will be following. If you are following them, you will be having more details about that bank. I think if you are interested, you can go. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Later, we will be seeing in latest notification. Thank you.